So Sawback bayonets had this long urban legend about being made for making really nasty wounds in people, which is totally not the truth. In actual fact, these Sawback style bayonets were issued to pioneers and engineer sort of troops for cutting down trees or small branches. However, I've never seen anyone actually try using one for that, and I thought that'd be an interesting thing to do. So this is a Swiss M1914 pattern Pioneer bayonet. It fits on the K31 carbine. Simpson Limited out of Galesburg, Illinois, very generously provided this bayonet for us to use, so thank you guys. What we're going to do is a three-part test. The first bit is going to be just the bayonet by itself, which should be the hardest. Second part is going to be the bayonet mounted on a K31. This should give me a lot more leverage, should make it go faster. And then the third part is going to be with a proper buck saw, which is the sort of thing that an engineer corps ought to have with them if they actually want to cut trees. So this will be our control. Are we ready?
In 3, 2, 1, go!
So I think the biggest problem with this bayonet for cutting wood is because it is a bayonet, it's very wide, and I have to cut almost a 1/4 inch gap in this log, where a real saw has a much narrower blade. That said, this is working. It's working a little better than I expected. You can see we've got the log weighed down here with some sandbags. That's to simulate a buddy of mine holding the log while I cut it. Almost there. Come on. Whew, what's our time?
72 seconds.
Not bad. All right, let's reset it. Try it with the bayonet on the rifle. Alright, so the rifle should give me a lot more leverage. I should be able to do this faster. Alright, timekeeper, when you're ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Feels, I think, faster. Good cuts. Oh. What do we have?
29 seconds.
29. More than twice as fast. All right, now let's see what we can do with a proper saw. If you haven't used one of these saws before, you're missing out on something. These are awesome. And as long as I can get it started smoothly, this should go through this log like butter. So, timekeeper, when you're ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
What do we have?
16 seconds.
A lot better. Whew. Of course, this is a big chunk of somewhat bulky gear to carry, but you're definitely better off using one of these if you actually have to cut wood. But it's nice to know that if you need to, your bayonet will do it too.